Hello everybody, this is Francisco Martinez. This is Java 1 for week 2, and this is the project for week 2. Now what we were supposed to do was change certain things from our previous project from last week, both functional and cosmetic. Now as far as my app goes, I was having a lot of issues last week. Um, Trying to get it to work was really hard. This week is kind of no different. I'm still having trouble trying to figure out everything. Um, I did try doing a lot more research. I even emailed the professor, and I didn't get back from him. I didn't get anything back from him, so I continued doing the research. Um, and I was able to find a couple of things, but at the same time, it just wasn't working for my app for some reason. Um, I'll test out the functionality first before I go into the cosmetic. So I'm gonna put in this right here. I'm going to put in 1, and then I'm going to click done. Now as you can see, it does show that there's something there, but it doesn't display it for some reason. And as for the characters, I still can't get that. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm missing something. I don't know what it is. I've been trying to figure out what it is, but it's just not coming to me. But that's this is another thing. It's just the fact that it's not displaying it either. I don't know what's going on with that either. When you do click on it, it shows that it's there. So there is something there. As for these two buttons, they don't really do much. It just confirm it, and the remove doesn't really do anything. It's just there. So if I press remove, it just still stays there. If I click on it again, you'll see that there is a toast message that does show up. That's part of one of the requirements. The problem is that the toast message shows up before the actual alert shows up. So it's still wrong. I've been trying to figure out a way to fix that, and I know it's got to be with some kind of an if statement maybe, um, but it's just not coming to me right now. As you can see, it's like I said, this is just how the app is right now. I've been trying to make it work. It's just not working out. As for the cosmetic part, which is probably the easiest part for me, um, I was supposed to change this to it worked, and that's exactly what I did. And if I go home, one of the things I was supposed to do also was change the name of the app as well as the icon. The app was supposed to be named Just Testing, and the icon itself is supposed to be a check on the inside a white box. So as for the actual app itself, like I said, I'm still having trouble. It's not easy for me. I'm doing as much research as possible. I'm doing as much of the readings as possible, and I'm just still not getting it. I feel like just like I said before, I feel like it's going to take me some time to actually figure out what I'm supposed to do and where exactly I'm supposed to put it. So other than that, I hope you guys actually did well on your projects, and you have a good night.